Today I'm going to show you how to apply texture in Affinity Designer and Affinity Photo. This technique is perfect for adding depth and visual interest to your designs, making them stand out with a professional, polished look. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application loads, you'll need to open your existing file or create a new one to get started. With your workspace ready, click on the image where you want to add the texture effect. This selection is crucial as it tells the software exactly which element you'll be working with. Now direct your attention to the right panel of your screen. Here you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Normal. Click on this drop-down to reveal various blending options. From this list, select your preferred texture mode. This step determines how the texture will blend with your base image, so take a moment to choose the option that best suits your creative vision. Next, navigate to the opacity setting, which is also located in the right panel. Click on it to access the opacity slider. Use this slider to adjust the intensity of the texture effect. Moving the slider left will make the texture more subtle, while dragging it right will create a more pronounced effect. This fine-tuning allows you to achieve exactly the look you're going for. Alternatively, if you want to add your own custom texture image, you can do that as well. In the upper left corner of your screen, click on File from the menu bar. This opens a drop-down menu where you'll need to select Place. This option allows you to import external images into your current project. A file browser window will appear on your screen. Browse through your folders until you locate the texture file you want to use, then click Open. Once selected, your cursor will change, indicating that the texture image is ready to be placed. Click anywhere on the canvas to position the texture image where you want it. After placing the texture, you'll likely need to resize it to ensure it properly covers your original image. Adjust the size by dragging the corner handles until the texture fully occupies the first image. This step is important because it ensures your texture effect applies evenly across the entire design. Finally, in the right panel, locate the texture image layer you just added. Right-click on this layer to bring up a context menu. Then select Rasterize to Mask from the options. This action converts your texture into a mask, seamlessly blending it with your base image and completing the texture application. And there you have it. You've successfully applied texture to your image in Affinity Designer and Photo. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.